Hey you guys, it's Mollie with Design Loves Detail, and we are sharing today our final stop on our Costa Rica vacation, and it is a beach home. I can't wait to show you more. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our next videos are live. Typically, we share design tips and deals for your home, but right now we're on vacation, so we are sharing a bunch of homes that we have stayed at, and there's a couple others in case you missed them, so go back and check those out. Here we go. You can probably hear the bugs. It's super loud. There's a lot of cicadas, and so it's very loud. Over here we have a dining area, and one thing that I think is really cool about this home is that it does have that beachy vibe. It's very light and bright and neutral. A little bit of a non-traditional setup with they've got a fridge and freezer over on this side of the dining room. And then off to the other side is the kitchen. It looks like a fairly typical kitchen you might see in the US. Just, you know, the cabinetry, the range, some open shelving here. These actually might be like boxes, like those, you know, crate box type things. Another detail I love is this like paneling. By the way, I just came off the beach, so I don't even know what's happening here, but they have almost like this shiplap, and it's very, what am I trying to say? We've been on vacation too long, but everything's neutral and bright. I thought that this lamp was pretty cool. Check out, it's like, it looks like a piece of driftwood, and it's huge. So really cool scale on that. Some of the details, like these shelves, are just so fun. I love that they have that, again, craftsman type feel where it's one of a kind and they're whitewashed for that beachy look, and so kind of some cool carved pieces here too, artifact looking, that are artsy and just really unique to kind of set this house apart. I love that kind of stuff. You can kind of see some more over here that feel very authentic to the culture, and then also just, I don't know, makes it feel fun. And these are another one I love. I think these are so cute. These little hanging carved vases. I feel like they're very current feeling too. And then we're gonna check out the bedrooms before we go to the outside area, because the outside area is pretty fun. Okay, so off to this side, we've got like a kid's room. Nice and neutral in here. Again, that beachy vibe. Even shelves of shells. My kids are gonna be excited about that. And then over here, another guest room, same kind of thing, where just super neutral. I thought that the cabinetry was kind of fun in here. They've got like these, they've almost got like a floating shelf setup, and then kind of a lattice type cabinetry. So this has that island type vibe to it. And then this room is so pretty. This is probably like the primary bedroom because it's so beautiful. And you gotta see the view out here, just right out to the ocean with all this greenery. We'll head out there in a second. But I think it's cool how this room has the windows on both sides that come together, so it just feels like, you know, you just have that beautiful expansive view out there. Oh, here's the bathroom. Again, kind of those lattice type cabinets, so very coastal feeling. This is like a slate tile, and then more of that shiplap on the upper half. And then a lot of the homes here have the tile floors to keep them cooler, and then just more practical, functional. Let's head out here to the pool. This is a really great place out here. Check it out. Gorgeous pool. Really fun little area over there. Maybe we should walk over to this side. It's kind of fun how they did this built-in bench area out of the concrete. You can kind of see how this is formed as like a little place to sit. And then they did the same thing over on this side, but where you can put cushions in. So it makes this really cool little lounge area. I love this. I love the way this is just kind of open, and then they use these logs for the supports. So it has a very organic vibe. Such a pretty spot. Let's head over here and check out a couple, oh, with a hammock, of course, too. Love that. And then there's like an outdoor kitchen back there with a kind of a picnic table dining area, which is nice. And then we're like right out to the beach. Just off the other side of the pool is a guest house, which is actually really cool and nice because there's a ton of space over here as well. There's 2 levels. On the lower level, first we have these really cool handmade benches I love just outside. And even look at this door with that herringbone detail, so fun. Inside, there's a bunch of beds in here too. Again, that really neutral palette, which is so nice. There's a couple of beds on this side, and then we have day beds on the other. And then a really pretty bathroom. I think there's some great details in here. I love this really pretty concrete, simple sink, and the walls have kind of that concrete detail. I love how it feels really organic. And then even this trim is kind of like some rock work going around. Here's the full shower. Love this concrete bench. I literally might do something like this in our bathroom. It's so pretty. And then the windows in the shower is so nice as well. Now we're gonna head upstairs and see the really pretty bedroom up there. This is not exactly approved for young children. There's no railing, but it's pretty. Look at the ceiling detail here as well. It's that bamboo that they used. This room is huge. A beautiful king bed here, and then some awesome furniture that I'm loving. This table, seriously wish I had this at my house. In love with that. The scale of it, and it's just a big slab. And how cool are these shelves? Another one of those handmade details, and I'm even obsessed with these bowls. Look at these. I'll have to try and find something like that. I'm assuming those are handmade too. Really, really pretty. And then this has this gorgeous deck out here. Look at even the planks on this. It's so beautiful. I just love the detail. And again, some of these leather chairs. You can kind of see the handmade, very rustic type look they have. It's so fun. And check out that view to the pool and then to the ocean. Pretty gorgeous. Now let's head back over there. So over here is a little dining area, which is so pretty. Just a really kind of intimate little cabana type place. And this is right off the living room. Aren't these tables so cool? Again, with that handcrafted artisan type furniture. Really, really pretty detail on those. And then right through here is the beach, which is so nice. Another little kind of a sitting area right there. And here we are. Pretty amazing. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the beach house tour, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when our next video is live. I will see you next time. We're gonna get back to our vacation and over to the beach.